These shows are great because it really ties together the product to the solution. So customers have all kinds of wants and needs at shows like this, and it gives everybody an opportunity to collaborate on a new idea, how we can implement this new technology that we have.
One of the most exciting things to me is the A1000 3D vision system. There have been item detection solutions in the past, and they have a number of faults. And what we're doing is we're combining a snapshot 3D camera as well as a 2D camera. So we have kind of both technologies using the best of both worlds. We're also showing our small form factor 6-side tunnel, which features area scan bottom side reading, which is a first in the industry.
We're taking imaging technology and able to read the bottom side of boxes, and some of the already built-in capabilities of the sensors are things like HDR+, which allows us to decrease gapping on boxes through a facility.
One thing that's not necessarily new, but we've definitely improved it, is our presentation scanning. So now we have a projected pattern that shows the customer exactly where to place the barcode, and really even further speeding up an already fast process.
When we have a product solution that fits that problem, it's great because we found a good match and we know we can help that customer. One of the things that we're seeing the most of that in is in how we're applying machine vision into new applications inside the logistics space.
One of my favorite things about shows like this is when you show a customer new technology, hashing out solutions to problems that they have that they didn't know that there was a solution to.